In this video, you'll learn how to add and customize buttons on your Canva website project. First, use the search box to quickly find templates by typing your topic and selecting the website category to refine your options. Next, choose a template, such as a portfolio, and click the Customize this template button to begin editing your site. To enhance your design, use the Describe Your Ideal Element input to search for items like buttons. Then click Generate to create one that suits your needs. Select a button color that matches your website style and helps the button stand out. Now, search for more elements if needed. Browse through the options and choose graphics from the sidebar for added visual appeal. Add headings or text to further personalize your button and help guide users more effectively. Select or edit names or text near your button to provide specific context, such as the creator or purpose. When adding link functionality, click the Buy Now button. Then enter or search for the link destination directly in the input field. Confirm the button link and continue clicking. Buy now as needed to set up actions for other buttons. To improve navigation, select options like Comment, Gallery, or About from the menu, and finalize your changes by clicking Done. When you're ready, publish your changes so your website and new buttons become live. Click View Your Website to see how the buttons look and function on your live site. You can continue refining by adjusting or duplicating button actions and ensure everything works smoothly to give users the best possible experience. You've learned how to add and customize buttons in Canva to make your website more interactive.